So what's on the salad menu today? Kale salad. A couple of years ago, I made this for my sweet sister-in-law, and she turned it into a recipe and titled it Sue's Kale Salad with Sesame Dressing. Now, I am all about substitutions. As you can see, I am out of rice wine vinegar, so I'm just substituting it for regular rice vinegar. I'm out of my red onion, so I'm substituting for a red bell pepper. But of course you can use one or the other or both. At Farmer's Market this weekend, we decided to try these new purplish carrots. Well, they're new for us instead of the orange ones. So I'm gonna do these carrots instead of the typical orange ones I normally do. And of course the berries are optional. They add an extra touch to it as well. So I'm going to get busy and make this delicious, healthy kale salad. Destemming a kale leaf. With your non-dominant hand, just grab the stem with your thumb and forefinger, grab the leaves with some gentle pressure. You just pull the leaves down and you've taken off the stem without having to use a knife.